Hey friends, so today I'm going to show you how to install the front bike seat on your bicycle for your baby or little kid. Okay, this is the box I got directly delivered to my home from Amazon. Now I'm going to unbox it. Okay, I have removed tapes and packaging materials already to save your time. And when I have opened this box, I got a good assembly instructions. So assembly will happen in 4 parts. You can see in English. This is step 1, how to install on your bike. Then step 2, install the tube, install the card ahead, install quick release, fixed it. This. So I am going to introduce you little parts. This is the belt. Very nice belt I got with this. Okay, I'm packaging this, and this is the seat where baby is going to sit. Okay, so I am removing this packaging material from this baby seat. Make sure that your child is not going to use this polythene, because this is sufficient for a child for suffocation. Okay, this is. Now we have this relaxing pedals. Okay, so this is I'm going to install here, and you have received we have received a proper screwdriver with this. So this is assembly, and I have received this screwdriver to fix my
seat. And then this is the piece item number 4, which I am going to attach on the bicycle. Okay, and in the bicycle you will see how I am going to attach this in the bicycle. I will show you there. Okay, so I am removing this material. Okay, yeah, this is very well packed and delivered directly to my home. Yeah. So this is going to be fixed into 2 parts. One is this we are going to put in the back of bicycle, and this in the front of bicycle. Okay. Now, if you don't have any tool, the best part is I have received these tools with the seat. Okay. So with the screwdriver set, I am going to open it. Okay. You can see total 6 nuts and bolts are there, which I have received with this packaging material. And they have given me very good, nice screwdriver, and this one key to fix these all items here. So one by one quickly I am going to fix this. Okay, and quickly I am going to fix it. I will make sure, one thing, make sure when you are putting a screw, keep this side towards your child, so that it is not going to stick to her, or I am fixing it for my daughter, so I will say her. Okay, so these are the screwed, and similarly you can fix all the 6 screw, and quickly, yes, it is assembled. Okay, so after assembling all these 6 parts, I will show you next part on the bicycle itself. Thank you.
Okay, so next part is I'm going to fix this seat in the bicycle. I have already put this, I have fixed this, and on this supporter it is going to stay. Now these are 2 strips which is going to be fixed here. So this will be somewhere going to adjust like this. You have to check in your bike where you want to stay it. That is the one thing. Now I have already disassembled these 2 clips. So these are going to hold like this. Wherever you want to settle in your bike, you can put these. Make sure it is going to make a grip in your bike properly. Okay. So I am going to put it here. And Now I have fixed this clamp using 4 bolts which are given to me, and this is the key to tighten the bolt which I have used. You can fix it anywhere as per your requirement, and then I am fixing this support by. So this is the sheet which I have fixed, and with this we have got these are the 2 clamps which we can open like this, and I can fit it easily here. Okay. Okay. Similarly, the other one, simply it is open like this. Okay. Take it out, put it inside, and then this is again next one. I have tightened it. So my bicycle is now fixed on the front. Now I am going to fix the other part somewhere on this strip. Okay, so that is how now I am going to fix these 2 strips here, and with this it is going to be completed. I have fixed this, Now these are the 2 strips on which it is going to balance in front. So there are 2 bolts which are given. I have put 1 bolt here, 1 bolt here. Make sure it is going to make it complete grip. Okay? And now I am going to tighten it. So these are the screws I have tightened. Now my bike seat is okay. This is good to go ride with my son. Thank you. This is installed. If you have any questions, you can put in the comment and I will help you.